Okay, so what have we done? Okay, today I converted it to a 1-speed. It's currently on the second cog, which is 16. Probably need to take it one more back over to 18, but it's going to pull it more out of line. Problem with the smaller motor in the bigger frame, you have to put these spacers in. In doing that, you lose around 15 mil, which means really you lose about 3 of your cogs. If you were trying to get this chain over on the 7th, it's way over here and way out of line, and it's, you can hear the chain cranking. It just doesn't work. So in reality, I probably should put it on 18. 18 would be a fairly good speed. When I was running a derailleur, I could really only, you can't use the first one, you can only really use this one. That's your smallest cog really, because it just sits on the frame here if you try and use that one. The smallest one, the 14 tooth. So the way I had the 3-speed front derailleur set up for this is I'd got the derailleur right over, so that was the first cog, second and then the third. So 16, 18, 20 was the biggest cog I had, and I was originally running a 36 front cog, the 42 tooth cog, and I think this is probably too big on that cog. At the rear, maybe on the 18th it'll be okay. I might try that out. Add some more chain back in and go up one. Probably should have gone the other way. I should have gone 18 and then I could have taken a link out. Yeah, I've gone sort of arse about face. Okay, so I put this Moto tyre on. I got 2, one for the back, not realising because I've got them off eBay. But once you go up to a 2.6, it actually increases the height of the tyre. So this is 700 mil, where the back one, 26 by 2.25, is 670. That's 700 mil. It's the same size as the 27.5, so it won't fit in the frame. You can see I've only got, you know, a finger clearance here. Really, I should have got a 24-inch back wheel, and then I could have gone for a wider tyre, but 24-inch tyres are really hard to come by in Australia for some reason. I know they seem to get them overseas. The other thing I've done today, I put a 203 front disc on. And a couple of weeks ago, or probably a couple of months ago I should say, I put the Zoom DH680 front forks on and paired that up with a Defender top peak mudguard. It's not as flickable obviously when you don't have a single crown, but it does stiffen the ride up a bit better. Still running that air shock. I may go back to the coil. Yeah, I'm kind of wishing now that I went with the 18 tooth cog before I broke that chain. Oh well, not much I can do about it now.